Today I'll be showing you what's worked for me for opening plastic bottles with one hand. This is whether it's a water bottle or a soda bottle, it's the same thing. Through trial and error, I found that trying to hold it between your legs like this doesn't work so well, because once you get it open, especially with the flimsy type of plastic, it'll splash all over and you look like you peed yourself. So what I've found works pretty well is to just put the water bottle on the ground between your feet and untwist it. And then you haven't twisted anything, you can open it the rest of the way like that. Or while holding it, you can, once you have it opened with your feet, breaking the tabs and stuff, you can just untwist it like that, and you're not spilling any water on it. So that is what has worked for me for opening plastic bottles. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, have a good one.